Hi, I'm Charlotte Roberts. I'm currently in year one of the foundation degree Animal Health and Welfare. I chose it because I studied the level 3 course about 10 years ago. I've always been sort of an animal-y person, and I sort of took a break and then just sort of realised that working with animals is sort of my passion and what I wanted to do. The staff were really supportive after I came back after being away for such a long time. It was really nice. I felt really welcomed, and being a mature student, it was very easy to sort of start fresh and start again. In the first year is a lot of theory. You're kind of sort of doing things like animal husbandry, where the more practical side is from the course. And then you have things like anatomy and physiology, nutrition, veterinary science. I think the best thing that's about studying at Coleg Gwent is the atmosphere. It's a bit more rural. They have like a big animal collection here, so there's a lot to learn about lots of different animals. I would recommend Coleg Gwent just because it's a wonderful atmosphere down here, especially if you want to work with animals. There's a lot of animals here, so there's a lot of opportunity, but also especially this course, it is very theory-based, so it gives you sort of the structure and the knowledge that you need to sort of take different routes or different directions of where you want to go.